Just start, just start, just start. Or post consistently so that you can have quick results. But I'm here to tell you the truth that most YouTubers aren't telling you. It's not all about just starting or posting consistently. I'm going to share with you the 3 things I did in order to get quick results so that you can also do the same as well. The first thing you need to do is to set up your channel settings.
So the first thing you are going to type is studio.youtube.com. As you can see, mine has already popped up here. After that, I want you to go here down on settings on this icon here. I want you to go on this icon here. Now here on settings, I want you to go on channel. Now please select country. Here on basic info, select the country that you are in. I'm in Kenya. I've already selected. My country of residence is in Kenya. Stop lying and putting like you are in UK or you are in the USA, because you know that those countries have a higher CPM. This will terminate with your channel. Just put the country which you are in. After that, I want you to go here on feature eligibility. Now here on feature eligibility, as you can see, I want you to enable these features, these 3 features: standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Here on standard features, it's where you can upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to any playlist that you have created. Please just ignore I have a flow. And here in intermediate features, videos that are over 15 minutes, you can post them. You can also custom your thumbnails, and you can also live stream, right? And on advanced features, you are going to be able to increase daily videos uploads and live streams, and eligibility to apply for monetization. Imagine you have not enabled these 3 features, you will not be able to monetize here on YouTube. I want you to enable these 3 features and you'll thank me. You'll be able to see your subscribers increasing, your watch hours increasing when these features are enabled, right?
The second thing you need to do is to research on your niche. Know what's working and what's not working under your niche, right? I want you to go and look for 5 channels under your niche that are working very well. And I want you to go and look at the most popular videos that have worked for them, okay? After that, go and recreate your own videos. I'm not saying that you go and copy what they did, but go and recreate. The third thing is the basic tools. Here I'm talking about the microphone that you're using, the camera that you're using. Right now I'm using my phone, right? But at least you can hear me clearly. It's better for people to hear you clearly than to have a clear camera, because audio is the thing that works for most people here on YouTube. People need to hear you very well, right? The fourth point is YouTube is an art. Yeah, this is a bonus point for you. You need to understand the science behind for you to succeed on YouTube. I'm talking about things like you need to understand how the algorithm works. You need to know the good time to post your videos. You need to analyze that in your analytics. And also, what does your audience want to see from you? Another thing is about your thumbnails. Your thumbnails need to be good. Make good thumbnails. Make eye-catching thumbnails. When you just post a video, a person gets triggered to click on your video. And analyze your analytics. You need to get the 5-second rule to hook people to watch your video. Grab people's attention with the hook. These are some of the things that I've learned here on YouTube. I've watched a couple of videos that some have worked for me and some haven't worked for me. Yeah, do your research on the niche that you have chosen and thank me later. Remember to share this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.